Hi guys, Penny here, and today I'm going to show you a style that I did on Instagram. So the first thing to do is section a triangular section at the top of your head and spritz it with water to make it a bit more manageable. Then I'm going in with the Revlon Realistic Twisting Pudding just to moisturise my hair before I twist it. The next step is to part that section of hair right down the middle. I'm using a rat tail comb, but you can use any comb that you prefer. Then I'm going in with the Revlon Realistic Edge Control, and this is just to make my twists a bit neater. I do massage the edge control into my fingers a little bit just because it's very thick. So I massage it into my hands to warm it up and make it a little bit more runny. But as you can see now, I'm just twisting my hair flat to my head and then sealing it with an elastic band. You can braid your hair, but I just twist because I struggle to braid directly on top of my head. Now that that's done, I'm just going to do it exactly the same to the other section. And voila, we have the first part done. Now all I'm doing is taking those two sections and literally scrunching them into a little bun top knot thing on top of my head. So you can just end the style here, but I've decided to glitz it up a little bit, and I'm adding these jewels from Nubian Decor, and this brand is so amazing. It has loads of little like hair cuffs and things like that, so I definitely recommend buying from them. Now I'm just applying some of the Curl Revive spray because my hair is struggling. This was like day 6, so yeah, it's just going to add a little bit of moisture and a little bit of shine to my hair. The one thing I will say though is that my hairstyles always tend to come out a little bit better when I use them on like day 3 onwards, so I definitely recommend doing that as well. And once you've finessed it a little bit, scrunched it up, that is the look finished. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something a little bit different, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.